Samsung Galaxy A17 is the latest Samsung smartphone priced under 20,000 rupees, and this gets a proper triple rear camera setup with a Super AMOLED display. But before you decide to buy this phone, here's our detailed review of the Samsung Galaxy A17, so let's start. It gets a plastic build, but it is well finished and feels good to hold. The volume and power keys on the right are slightly raised, and this design gives you some extra grip on the side too. Plus the side mounted fingerprint sensor is also fast. Left side has a SIM tray that can either hold 2 SIM cards or a SIM plus micro SD card. Neat speaker grill and USB at the bottom and a single mic on top. And Samsung has given this IP54 rating with Gorilla Glass Victus for the display. Speaking of the display, the A17 here gets a 6.7-inch FHD Plus Super AMOLED panel. Now there are chunky bezels on the sides, especially the chin, but this is a 90Hz display, which means scrolling is smooth. The colors are also spot on and you get great contrast too. Now this is a vibrant panel and the outdoor visibility is also good for the price. The A17 also has a good speaker system and remains clear at loud volume, so if you listen to YouTube, the speakers are good to go. Samsung is offering a proper 50 plus 5 plus 2 megapixel triple rear camera setup here with wide, ultra wide and a macro lens. And the main lens gets OIS, which means you can take stable videos from it. Dynamic range, color accuracy and detail are really good on the main lens. We did not notice any major detail loss up to 2x zoom. You can also take stable and sharp 1080p videos, but there's no 4K recording here. Now the ultra wide will also give you some good shots in daylight and indoors, but low light shots are best taken from the main lens. As for the macro, give it enough light and you could get a good wallpaper. And the 13MP selfie shooter also requires some light to do its best work, but in low light too, if you keep it steady, you can take some detailed and good pictures. And the video quality is also good from the front. So for this price, you're getting decent cameras which take good shots most of the time, but 4K recording would have made it an even better system. Performance wise, this phone gets the Exynos 1335nm chip paired with up to 8GB RAM and 2 storage options. Now our unit here is the 6GB variant, and not once during the testing did we feel it is lagging or slowing down. One UI resource management ensures that apps resume where you leave them, and day-to-day multitasking is also good on this phone. Now we played BGMI and Asphalt on the A17 and it went well, no heating, no lag, no battery drain either. While the launch time is slightly long, once a game launches, the phone adapts and then it goes smoothly. And then there are One UI features like dual messenger, advanced tracking and digital well-being, modes and routines, and labs where you can check out experimental features from Samsung. Samsung has also offered 6 years of OS and security updates, so it should be good to go for a long term. This phone gets a 5000 mAh battery with 25 watt fast charging, and you also get the charger in the box, and special mention for it because this is a USB-C to C charger, exactly how it should be in 2025. A full battery will give you a full day of use in most use cases, and a full charge takes about 1 hour 10 minutes. Optimizations also show at standby, because when I left this phone at 52% in the morning and I didn't use it all day, it was at 50% in the evening. So only 2% battery loss on standby, which is good. And now to answer the big question, should you buy the Samsung Galaxy A17 5G? It looks good, is built well, and the display and performance are also good for the price. It will also get 6 years of updates and the battery life is also solid. So if you don't mind missing out on 4K video recording, the Samsung Galaxy A17 could be a good option for you. And that's our detailed take on the Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. Drop us a comment if you have any questions. My name is Manik Beri. You're watching Gadgets 360, and hit that subscribe button before you go so you never miss a good tech update again.